Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we're gonna see something interesting. Okay, so in this video we'll see how we can quickly and easily create this curve using Linkmulti. Okay, so here on your generic tab you will have several options. You will see later all of these options, and first one is Linkmulti, and this is very powerful to quickly create a sub-assembly that you want. Okay, so let's go ahead and click to the quick Linkmulti. Here I have the dimensions of the the curve I want to create, so that it's easily you will now, when we are doing, you will know why it's very important. So once you are clicked, let's add somewhere. Maybe I want it just, this is just for demo, so we will add maybe somewhere here. Okay, let's add it here. Okay, so once it's added, it will ask you for more locations that you want to add it to, but I would keep it to one. Okay, so just I will enter, and then here you will see there are more. Okay, but I will just keep it like that. And let's first uh, let's see here how many lines links that we would need. So we'll need one, two, three, four, five links. Okay. So let's go here and define number of links required to 5. Okay, and default is left. Okay, so it will go anti-clockwise. If you do right, then it will be changed. Okay, so and you have top and bottom codes. Now let's see DW, DW1, DZ1, DZWZ2, DW2, DZ2. It's like this. So W is actually X or X, so X direction. Okay, and Z is representing height, that is Y direction when you are in a plan view. Okay, so respectively height and width. Okay, width and height. Okay, like that. So right now we have one, and everything is at 0. Okay, so we have 5 links here. That's 5 links that we can create. We have to define, and it offers up to 12 links. Okay, so the geometry with 12 up to 12 links can be created with this. So now here I have the dimension. I'm starting from this point, so we have to go up 0.1, like it's in meter, and right now the dimension I have here is in so just make sure you correctly input the dimensions. Okay, so for up sidewise we don't have to go anywhere because it's the reference point is this, so it's 0. Okay, and for the height we have to move up 0.12, so I just like put 0.12, and you will see the link is being created. A link is created. Okay, you see, and a lot of link you have here, other 4 that are usable. Okay, very good. So now we add another point, so that would be from here it should go like this. So in X direction it would go like 80, and in Y direction it would go 60. Okay, so let's input for X direction it's 80.08. Okay, and Y direction it's 0.06. Okay, cool. So you see it's created. Then we have to move here. This link has to be created. So this direction, like X direction, 70. So let's input 0.6, and then at the 0, the height is 0. Okay, Y direction is 0. Then we have to generate this one, this particular link, and the height is 180 and Z is 0. Okay, sorry, the width is 0 and height is 180. So 0.18, and you see it goes up. So the direction is wrong, so it should be minus. Okay, minus. Okay, good. And now it's our final one that we have to create. You see now you have only 2 codes here. Okay, very good. Now we just put this one is 150. Okay, so this is this direction. Again you see, like if I put 0.15, it goes this direction. So opposite direction we have to go. So negative. Okay, cool. And it ends here. Okay, so see, this one here does not connect well, so there must be some error, some mistake that we have committed. So let's find out our mistake. So let's go ahead and again revise 120. Okay, very good. And this is 80 and 60. Very good. And this one jet here is Oh, 70. So it should be 70. Okay, cool. Now I think yes. As we fix our error, the step code is also generated. Okay. Okay, let's see it in action. Now you can also what you can do is it's left side. Now we can mirror it also. And let me mirror it and put it here. Yes. Okay. And mirror. Cool. So let's see in action. Now let's refresh our corridor and see in the cross section. This particular assembly is applied. I remember somewhere here. Okay, so around 140. So let's refresh, rebuild this corridor. Select the corridor and rebuild it. Once the corridor is built, we go to the cross section. It was 140, so we go to the 140 10 inch somewhere here. Okay. Okay, now here you see these two are correctly applied, and even the top codes are working pretty well. You can change the color also. Select it and then go to the properties, and from here maybe we would like to. This one is basic right now, so we can change it to ground fill is being different as basic. So fill materials, okay. This will be more distinguishable now. Okay, so now you see it's there, and you see it is being correctly calculated. Okay, okay, as it has default datum defined. Okay, so it correctly works, and even for the top level it follows perfectly. So this is how, if you have to build uh, a subassembly which requires 12 links or less than it, then this is a very easy method to build a subassembly with those links. So guys, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and have a great time. Like, share, subscribe to our channel.